Hi, I'm Sarah Burke, a Dublin reporter with the Irish Independent, and I'm here at the Nightmare Realm to see what all the fuss is about and get involved in some of their spooky five mazes and some of their secret rooms.
So I suppose like fear is relative for everybody. So some people are coming here and they're scared out of their wits. Other people are coming here and they're laughing at their friends being scared. The main thing is that people are coming here to celebrate Halloween and having a memorable experience with their friends. You know, something to talk about afterwards when they jumped, when they got scared, when they laughed. One thing our actors are really known for is not breaking character. They're massively dedicated to their character and they evolve their characters as the show goes on. There's a lot of depth to what they're doing.
You about interfering in my way. I didn't know what happened. Oh my goodness. I do like our little therapy sessions, as you think they are, but I like to call it revenge for months of mental torture you put me through. Is my little medicine working? Oh, Arlen, you really are exhausting to live. You will not defeat me, you vile little creature. I will send you back to the stinking depths of hell where you belong. I will drag you with me. I will rip that cross right off your relationship again. You brought this to me. You will not You were the one to blame. You will never be my Lord. Oh, Arlen, are you looking at your holy water?
We are becoming in this, and I am Lucifer, the devil in the flesh.
Defeat me ever. You will not defeat me. Why are you not looking at me? Do you not want to look into the evil? Get out!
What can I say about that experience? It was terrifying. And you try so hard to pretend it's not real, but it feels very real because these actors are looking you in the eye and they look demented. So, yeah, I'm pretty traumatized after that experience.
Do you believe in the devil now, Sarah?
Yes.
That's lovely, because he's taken a liking to you. I would be careful on the way home, my dear.
Okay.
It's time for him to go now.
Okay, thank you. I was terrified. I was trying to remember that it's not real life. But at one point, I lost the cameraman and I was by myself, Ian. And I was terrified. I made friends with two young girls because I was so scared to go through it by myself. The actors are doing a phenomenal job. But I'm not sure yet if the Nightmare Realm is for me.